This question is very similar to the previous question on the playlist. It wants us to determine whether an ionic molecular compound, or neither, is formed, and then it gives us a couple of elements that might form that compound. If you watch the previous video on the playlist, I'll go into much greater detail about how you might approach this problem. But here, I'm going to kind of just go through it because it's such a similar problem. So, radon and neon. These are both noble gases. These are not going to form any type of compound. So in this case, we have neither. Hydrogen and chlorine. Here, we're going to have a molecular compound because we have two nonmetals. Hydrogen has one valence electron. Chlorine has 7. So now chlorine has its octet if it has one bond and 3 lone pairs. Hydrogen has its duet, so it's like helium, its nearest noble gas. Everybody's happy. So the formula here is HCl. Note that you might call this hydrogen chloride, or you might call it hydrochloric acid. It's more commonly referred to as hydrochloric acid. Carbon and chlorine. Well, we're definitely going to form a molecular compound here because we have two nonmetals. Carbon has 4 valence electrons, so it likes to form 4 bonds. Chlorine has 7, so it likes to form 1 bond and 3 lone pairs. So when chlorine and carbon come together, you're actually going to have 4 chlorines, each with its 3 lone pairs, bonded to a single carbon so that everything has its octet filled. And the formula here is CCl4, and this is called carbon tetrachloride.